Welcome everyone. Welcome to another edition of Siffa Open Box Showcase. And first of all, before I bring in Commissioner Benji, I'm going to spin 3 tunes just to warm in the session, and then we'll have Commissioner Benji in just to air out tax selection for the day. So here comes my first tune, thing called Blackie Blackie by Culture Roots. Hear them style, yeah. It's all about the music. Hear them style, people.
This is my little invitation.
You know, hear people.
My fellow black men. Yeah. Come Blackie Blackie, make we sit and chat. Only one way we will know the
Yeah, man.
Let's try something else away from gunshot cause nothing to achieve but a burial spot.
You don't hear me, people.
We no want no more gunshot.
It's all about the good music, people.
So no, Marcus Messiah, righteous Gabby, #1 prophet on earth you see.
Don't you know?
Solid words, ever living memories. If we should follow a safe journey. Blackie, unity is strength.
You ready, man, sir?
I want you to accept my
Yes, people.
invitation. Oh no, yeah. With unity we won before we start. Without unity we are twice defeated.
It's all about.
Cause I one black.
You don't hear?
So very proud to be I one, and you know we are so very proud to be so.
Yeah, man.
Make we sit and chat. Only one way we can know the fact. Come, let's try something else away from gunshot.
All right, people.
So long.
Too much music run if you play.
No more gunshot.
All right, people. Let's move it on. Now here comes another musical bit skit from the man called, or for the group called Vice. So hear them style, yeah. You know here, people. Thing called the Vice Rise. The Vice out up.
Girl, you leave, oh yeah.
I saw we used to rumble them back in the day, people.
Girl, you leave, oh yeah. Heart made of stone. You should have let
Hey, I make no apologies. I have to pull up that tune there. Call up. Taking me right back to the early days of Siffa. A them style we are run. A them style we are bring back. Easy. Alright, just a little. We're gonna take that one from the TOP. Apologies, people. Come in. Right from the TOP.
girl, you leave, oh yeah.
Yes, people.
Oh, yeah. Girl, you leave, oh yeah. Heart made of stone. You should have let me know.
Don't you know?
Heart made of stone. You should have let me know. Oh, I've tried everything to win your love. I didn't get nowhere, but I saw you last night walking with my
Yes, people.
Guess how I feel. Heart made of stone. That's a baby. You should have let me know.
Vice Rise.
Heart made of stone.
It's all about
You should have let me know.
the good music.
It's no use you hiding from reality.
Don't you know, people?
Baby, we'll lose our job. I'm gonna soften you, and you out of stone. Heart made of stone.
All right.
Whoa, 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 whoa. You should have let me know. Heart made of
Back in the day tune.
You should have let me know.
All right, people. Now here comes another musical biscuit. Coming right your way. It's all about the good music, people. All right, Siffa open box. All right, come in. Hear them style. Thing called the voice of progress. The man called Junior Reid for the vocals. Hold tight, people. Make her lift up that one because it deserves the start that it needs to deserve. This one called Minibus Driver, voice of progress, Junior Reid on the vocals. Hear them style. It's all about Siffa Open Box Showcase. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment, you YouTubers. Come in, T.O.P. Hear them style.
Make it slowly. Slow and easy.
After this song, we bring in Commissioner Benji, our guest for today.
But surely, yeah, minibus driver, be careful how you driving with me. Minibus driver, be careful how you driving with me.
1, 2.
Say
1, 2. Microphone check.
You never give no.
I saw we used to rumble them round back in the day, people.
Collective security driver, yeah. Be careful how you driving with me. Minibus driver, be careful how you driving with me. Say even when you're running that petrol, my blood run cold.
Yes, I am.
And your conductor can pay for my structure.
It's all about.
No, I don't want to lay down on no stretcher looking up for no doctor.
The good music.
Oh no, minibus driver.
Yes,
Be
people.
careful how you driving with me. Minibus driver. Be careful how you driving with me.
All right.
You conductor, you walk one like you a fool, like you want to take the children to school. The youths of today, it's a man.
After this one, we bring in Commissioner Benji.
Driver, be careful how you driving with me.
All right, people.
Minibus driver, yeah. Be careful how you driving with me. Say, once a man.
All right, people. After this one, this tune, we're bringing Commissioner Benji, our guest. Right now, I'm going to play my last tune until we come in with Commissioner Benji. So hear them style, yeah. Don't forget, people, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment, you YouTubers out there. Tune I go play. It's all about the good music to the people. Hear them style, yeah. Man called Junior Logado. Hear them style, yeah, people. Bringing back them tune from back in the day, people.
My little brother, my little sister.
You know, hear me, people.
Taking over the city on robbery, taking over. Some a grab and flee with no sympathy.
The man called
I can see.
Junior Delgado.
As far as I can see.
Oh, you mean, people?
The cops can't control them. They just can't control them.
You know, hear me, people.
Send for the army. They've got to send for the army. Robbery. Taking over.
Yes, Commissioner Benji, come in, Kawa.
Yes, greetings. Seeing Siffa open box. Okay. Commissioner Benji in the building. Seeing we have a full joy half an hour right about now. Big up yourself, Rico. Big up scientists. Big up the big man Robert T. Big up yourself. Seeing say Benji hours around the revives every week. So this week we come for do it different. It's a sound thing me depend. Seeing, so we are gonna run some sound boy tune for all of the sound man them out there. Big up all the sound them are Birmingham strong, every sound are Birmingham strong. Big up on yourself. Seeing, and you don't know, you have to come on Siffa open box, may I tell you, and brandy some of the tune. Seeing, every sound man are Birmingham strong come support that platform, yeah. Okay? Start off with some sound man thing.
Well, Chip I Prophet and Chris and the massive.
Some tunes we get from King Tubby's from back in ideas.
And all England massive love him. So come down from
Right out of Firehouse.
Rassan easy, Fish Clark, Chip I Prophet, hold tight every time. See, Frankie Wilmot.
This is a singer goes by the name of Frankie Wilmot. Goes by the name of Frankie Wilmot.
And all England
Sin.
massive love him. So come down Frankie Wilmot.
Well, Rassan easy, Fish Clark, Chip I Prophet, hold tight every time. See, Frankie Wilmot.
Some original thing for all the people them, man. Listen. That's Sonia. Why, there's one more time. Big up yourself, Robert T. Rico. Sin. Big up. Every time, boy. I love the platform. Sin. Can't come and play some of them tune, yeah. You don't know, them tune me not play every day. So come and brandy some of them some boy style. Original sinting. How the King Tubby's. Jamaica. Man, I tell him, man, the voice of the man like Frankie Wilmot. 1986. You see that song you love Express? Them two we call dub plate. I know them thing in a normal. Big up all the sound man of Birmingham strong. Come me say, this a sound got a Frankie Wilmot say. Come for brandy some different type of tune, you hear me? Nah, play no regular tonight. Some man said them a son and can't do them thing, yeah. You better believe this a song got a them say me all have half an hour. Look at John another one. Out to my cooker basket. Out to the cooker basket, King Tubby Studio. Listen. This is Chuck Turner.
Them can't test me, no. We can't test me. Can't
test the Love Express. Hey.
Must kill a sound and bury a sound. Any sound come at them, we have them down. And me start turn a land and you are really grown. Happy me lyrics start coming off down. Can't test me.
Can't test it.
Can't test me. me.
You know.
Can't test me, can't test me, can't test me, can't test me. Can't test me, can't test me, can't test me, can't test me. Can't test me, can't test me, can't test me, can't test me. Whoa, them can't, yeah, them can't test me. No, no. Me come to teach you the right way, take you out around, and give you for your food in a sardine pan. Oh, you big head, but you don't know where the kids.
You know yo, Robert T, Chuck Turner.
Rock up your foot, boy, pop up your hand, and put you in a cup and sail you in the ocean.
Come here, say.
Can't test me, can't test me, can't test me, can't test me. Can't test me, can't test me, can't test me, can't test me. Can't test me, can't test me, can't test me, can't test me. Can't test me, can't test me, can't test me, can't test me. No, you can't test me. You can't test me.
I'm telling you, man.
Flash it a east, come flash it a west.
Yeah.
They love me so like it at the best. Lyrics me a fling gun, I be digest. Just come out that time I be rub out them chest. Cause them can't test me, can't test me, can't test me, can't test me. Can't test me, can't test me, can't test me, can't test me. Can't test me, can't test me, can't test me, can't test me. Can't test me, can't test me, can't test me, can't test me. Whoa, them can't, whoa, hey, them can't test me.
Hey, Robert, you know, it's enough sound. I was saying check to Love Express. But you know Love Express.
Long, run shortage.
You know.
Oh,
What them feel like?
yeah. Long run shortage. Think me wouldn't get you. Long run shortage. Think me wouldn't hold you.
One more time out of the rusty cannon. I'm telling you, you think you get where?
Long run shortage. Oh, yeah. Long run shortage. Think me wouldn't get you. Long run shortage. Think me wouldn't hold you. Alright. Going around and running up your mouth.
Listen to Frankie, yeah.
Think me couldn't hold you and squeeze you out. Yeah. Going around and say you are the boss.
Listen.
But I show you no know me as the teacher for the class.
Yo.
Lord have mercy.
Come and say.
Long run shortage. Think me wouldn't get you. Long run shortage. Think me wouldn't hold you. Hey. Making a fool of yourself. Like a buckle I go drop off the shelf. Nowhere to run, nowhere to turn. Sooner or later you go get a sudden burn. Long run shortage.
Take me wouldn't.
Get you. Long run shortage.
And the original rubber dub.
Me wouldn't hold you. Long run shortage. Think me wouldn't get you. Long run shortage. Think me wouldn't hold you. Long run shortage.
Long road short catch.
Oh,
Them think them get winner. You are going here now. Come and say, we not fear no sound, you know.
Make them come now.
So make them come.
I'm an entertainer, entertain the visitor. Some I come from east, some I come from west, north and south, all about. Make them come now. See them a come, they see them a come, they have enough fun. See them a come, they see them a come, they nah go wrong. See them a come, they see them a come, they see them a come, they fun can't done.
Original song thing, listen what I want.
Make them come,
Make them come.
make them come, make them come, make them come, make them come, fun can't done.
better you cool. Sound boy, stick by the rule. Because sound boy run away when Love Express team up play. Sound boy run away when Love Express team up play. Because I run them a run them a run.
Go Wendy.
Champion a come.
Yo.
Champion a come.
Come and say.
Run them a run them a run. When Love Express team a come, Express team a come. Cause I Love Express rule. I Love Express rule, this your style.
Original Harris Martin up on the dub plate of King Tubby Studio.
Why you doing God?
King Tubby Studio.
Leave Love Express alone. Come down. Horace Martin and sing out.
You know. Original from 1986. Horace Martin, listen.
Sound boy, I better you cool. Sound boy, stick by the rule. Because sound boy run away when Love Express team up play.
Come and say.
Sound boy run away when Love Express team up play. Because I run them a run them a run. When the champion a come, champion a come. I run them a run them a run. When Love Express team a come, Express team a come. Cause I Love Express rule, I Love Express rule, this your style.
Come and say.
I Love Express rule. Lord say we
Wicked and listen.
The one Benji, him a selector. The one Sensi, him a operator. The one called Asha, a godfather. And I Horace Martin, a the singer. Cause I Love Express rule. Ooh, oh, ooh-wee, ooh-wee, ooh-wee.
Alright, take it down, Benji, because we have more King Tubby's dub plate in the box, you know. See? Listen that one, yeah.
Sound boy! I'm going like you're done. That's why you know the Love Express rule. See? And what's that, Benji? And what's that, Asha? Sensi? Easy. Yes. Well, alright. Sha-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la. Yeah.
Listen.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey.
This is when Courtney Melody was just forwarding upon the scene.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Listen.
Sha-la-la. What? You believe you are top.
You believe you are.
You believe you are top. You believe you are top. But you're not rough, you're not tough. You're not rough like we. You're not rough, you're not tough like Love Express. Can't you see? Then the time will come, dangerous. The time will come, can't tangle rocks. We nestled on the coffee, we're in a thermos. Love Express, it make a son boy bed laugh. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Son boy, I walk on the place and I two of them face and them don't save. Well, Lord. Some boy, I walk on the place, it a gun in at the waist and them don't save. Yeah, 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 yeah. But in the time Love Express, it come, it all dangerous.
Listen.
Yes, in the time we come, can't talk around. Hey, sound boy, you better talk about. Oh, yeah, hey, hey. Boy, hey, oh, yeah, hey. Sound boy, put on the coat, put on the frack. The Love Express pussy, they no want.
None of that.
Sensi, no want.
None of that.
Benji, no one, none of that.
Yeah.
No Asha, him, no one, none of that.
Kawa.
Rasta people,
You know.
Lord is God people. Why we don't do things don't come away. We got to live up to judge us.
Them feel like them tough. So mind you this, you know. Me not lie. Sin. Yeah, that Gregory, I know.
Man you this, yeah. Or you will be on express list. This one can't miss. Hey. Mind you this, sound boy. Mind you disrespect me. Mind you this, sound boy. I welcome test.
Alright, rubber team, man, for real, Sin. Enough respect, my brother. Gotta be the voice of the man like
Man,
the
you
G.I.
this, yeah.
The man like Cool Roller.
Or you will be
Gregory.
express list.
You know me just play 1 and 2 tuning at the open box thing. Dub plate style.
Man you this, yeah. Or you will be on express list. This one can't miss.
Yeah. What me say, rubber?
Mind you this, sound boy. Mind you disrespect me. Mind you this, sound boy. I welcome test me. Or we come up, sound boy.
Strength in a posse. Where's the Love Express sound?
But Love Express is a sound well wash it. So when you someone come test me,
listen.
Love Express said him ready.
Long time.
Cause I net to not be locked up because them soft. Don't you know?
Gregory.
I knew this, sound boy.
Here.
I knew this, respect me. I knew this, sound boy.
Listen.
They the dibby sound boy.
Listen.
Are no longer around. A strictly Love Express sound. I rule up London town. Cause it's a mopping.
The ragamuffin.
Love Express. I ragamuffin, ragamuffin.
Listen up, party now.
With a big bow cat, large or small.
When I care where you come from, you know.
Love Express come here to rule dance all.
You better believe.
One and all.
Listen.
So go and tell it to the nation, to enemies and friends.
Listen again.
Champion sound Love Express up on street again. But now beg no friend.
Now beg no friend, I hear ya.
I'm no snake in the grass. No hypocrite. Anything I do, I'm big enough to own up to it. But the critics won't leave me alone. Them call like them perfect. Yeah.
Listen.
But if life was a tape recorder,
I put them on
jack. No. Roughneck, Love Express, step on street again. None of the play.
Alright, Love Express, man. Let me play a Sugar Mine that me never play out of street yet. Sin, listen that Sugar Mine at ya. Right now. Sin.
Well, Love Express, I know you're the good sound. You don't like to kill sound, but some sound come boof up themselves. And now you're charged for killing a heap of jump on sounds. How do you plead? Guilty. You're killing all idiot sound boys. You don't powder no sound. But it's a murder. How with them charged with a murder? How with them want with a murder? How with them charged with a murder? How with them
Sugar Mine, listen.
didn't use no gun, say we didn't use no knife. Didn't use no bomb, didn't use no missile. Strictly rubber duck we use and take them life. I know everyone come across your strike.
God, it's a murder. Whoa. Them me not tell you, man. Them Sugar Mine it you no normal. Sin.
Well, Love Express, I know you're the good sound. You don't like to kill sound, but some sound come boof up themselves. And now you're charged for killing a heap of jump.
Siffa open box, you know.
How do you plead?
So when you come up here, you know,
Guilty.
make sure you do the right thing when you come up on Siffa open box, you know. Don't mess
And
around.
it's a murder. How with them charged with a
Murder.
how with them want with a murder? How with them charged with a murder? How with them want with a didn't use no gun, say
We never use no. Hey.
Didn't use no bomb, didn't use no missile. Stick the rubber duck we use and take them life. I know everyone come across your strike.
Kadisa.
Murder, I with them charged with a murder. I with them want with a murder. I with them charged with a murder. I with them want with a long time we never want to do them nothing. I idiot boy come touch a button. Touch a button and we do them something. I know a sound boy in getting coffee.
Kadisa.
Murder, I with them charged with a murder. I with them want with a murder.
What are we sugar miner?
Murder, I with them want.
Listen to party now.
Well, Love Express, I expect that from you. But you say the boy them first trouble you.
You know.
In self-defense, you have to throw them down. So what's the radio? Alright. Murder, murder. This a sound boy
Murder, murder, murder.
A sound boy murder, murder.
Don't give them no more commissioner, cause I hear Siffa say, what, him go check Rod Taylor at Jamaica. Eh?
Love Express, the best in the east, west, north and south.
We can play one for Siffa right now.
Sing out to your mouth.
Ooh, yeah. One for the Siffa family.
Ooh, yeah. King Asha is a black man. King Sensei is a black man. King Benji is a black man from Africa.
You hear it? How we build them junior?
They fight for equal rights and justice for the people.
Listen, listen.
They trek through the coast of Africa, showing the light to the people. But every sound they crucify, they kill them,
murder them every time, man. I tell you, Rod Taylor selection,
best,
man. Me
the best in the east, west, north and south.
Yeah.
They can't get rid of Rod Taylor.
I'm gonna play one for you now, Robert.
Out of your mouth.
Ooh, yeah.
Right after this one.
Ooh, yeah.
The original Rod Taylor, man.
King Asha is a black man. King Sensei is a black.
Go on, big up Asha, Father Sensei.
Benji.
Big up Danger D. Terry Lee.
From Africa.
Old Titan Militant T.
They fight for equal rights.
Yeah.
And justice for the people.
One is the Tiger.
They trek through the coast of Africa.
Where's the Buckeye?
Showing the light to the people.
Cause every
sound they crucify, they kill them. Yeah, oh Lord, yeah.
Build that rhythm chat, Rhoda Dickey. Rhoda Earth Studio.
Oh Lord, yeah.
Listen to you know.
Love Express, him a the champion. Love Express, him a the ruler. Love Express, him a the champion in a England.
You better know, man. I'm telling you, star. You know. It was a look for Rico and said, boy, you look like one of we, you know.
More each and every
protect the ends.
Love Express got to say, respect.
One for my brethren, Robert T.
Man called Benji. The rubber man called Asher, the man called Sensei. 12 a sexy young lady. Boom. Love Express sounded on the boom. Till this a sound of the boom. Till this a sound of the boom. You no star. Cause if a sound figure drop, Love Express I go do that. Play it from the top to the very last drop. And the thing test gonna hit up in a crisp boat box. With a piece of glass and some flowers on top.
Oh, you mean?
Original you Brown said that. Yeah, the boom. Love Express sound it at the boom. You hear me? Yeah, the boom. Love Express sound it at the boom. You know star. But if a sound we get boom, Love Express him a go boom that. Hey, and if he don't sing get caught, I Love Express him a go call that. But hear me when me say, and if a girl fi get chat up,
Love Express where you go
do that.
Oh yeah, man.
So me say, and if a sound fi get boom, I Love Express him a go boom that. And so me say, oh hear me say, me no please come and check.
Can I play 4 more?
You know drop. The Bible come be king is a top.
Me say
anything or things tonight.
Half an hour done already. Alright.
It's food sitting our quiz board, but
it's a day.
Boom.
Love Express.
Sound it on the boom. I the version we are the boom.
When I tell you this a sound it on the boom, I want to play some big tunes in the night here before me left here.
Selector.
Sing.
Sense, you're the best.
Listen.
Hear me now? The late and great test rod. Jah guide. Oi, 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 oi. Look here. Girl, I've got a date. And I just mean I can't stay late.
The great Elton Ellis.
No. My life, I've been warning you. There's no other sound. Take this from me. Love Express is the #1 sound. Whoa.
Don't worry yourself.
Yeah. Well, girl, I've got a date. And I just mean,
And as far as I can see,
Original school down speaking.
Hold it there.
Original singer, year to year singer, Jimmy Riley.
I'm bringing some veteran now.
For the people them.
Jimmy Riley.
our Father, which art in Zion, hallowed be thy name.
One for all of my cultural massive.
Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in Zion. Don't test the Love Express. It's the champion sound. Love Express is the very best, the sweetest sound around. Give an eye and I this day our daily bread.
Hear that?
And guide and protect I.
Jimmy Riley.
Ooh, yeah. Idiot soundboard will be laid to rest. Love Express around. No. Jah is our light and thy salvation. On the Love Express we only play the best. Lovers rock.
Listen.
And culture music.
You better believe.
Put Love Express on top. The people can't refuse it. Oh, Love Express. You simply
Straight to your chest, coming from Love Express. Lord no. Meet me at the corner, won't you?
I'll play one more after this then, yeah?
Down your avenue, Lord no. When Love Express is playing, strictly rubber duck for you.
Listen.
So tune in till the morning.
How you know say I'm medley this, you know? I'm medley. Saying, so how you know so when you get them great, you know, original sin thing. We cut them thing way back when.
Every time the
Saying,
sound. Oh, straight to your chest, coming from Love Express. Lord no. Meet me at the corner.
Original death in the arena. Yo.
Down your avenue. Lord no. When Love Express is playing, strictly rubber duck for you.
Well, I've Dennis Brown pan already, me I tell you know. Sure. So tune in
till the morning. yeah. Tune in, Benji and C-string. I know you like it like that. Alright.
What you say now, Gregory? What you say now?
Boy, Mr. Brown, come out and check Love Express.
I told you it was a medley. Sin.
Now you may not think it's true, yeah.
What the song Love Express can do. You know. All the money will go to prison. Listen, no.
It's a solitary confinement. Express now go to jail tonight. Oh no, no. Solitary confinement. Love Express have to win the
music fight.
Cause him always did it right.
What you say again now, Gregory?
Too forward, yeah.
Time I run up on the Love Express. So you see right about now I'm gonna play my last one. It was a love. It was a joyful night. Me nah lie. Give thanks for the interview. Seeing when you say news extra. Let me read it. Sound News Extra. Yeah, Sound News Extra. Give thanks for, the interview and thing. Enough respect going on to Rico. Enough respect going on to Scientist. Enough respect going on to Robert T. Seeing? Yeah, man. And big up KMD in the background. I do all the camera works and thing, Him the genius around here. Seeing? So big up the ISF KMD. So I'm going to play this last one right now. Listen that tune
Love
right
Express, one of the wickedest and one of the greatest and one of the best. Benji, Dollar, Asha, Sense, big respect. Can don't know say anything test a murderation and a danger one so that one to take back time.
Listen that tune,
to the highest grade. Father Dennis Brown, deal the murderation for the champion son Love Express.
Oh hell, I Love Express. I said them come again. Yeah now, danger won't sit so. Love Express will always be my sound.
You sure you don't want me to play one more?
One of the wickedest and one of the greatest and one of the best. Benji, Dollar, Asha, Sense, big respect. Can don't know say anything test a murderation and a danger one so that one to take back talk. Let's return that to the highest grade. Father Dennis Brown, deal the murderation for the champion son Love Express.
Oh hell. I Love Express. I said them come again. Yeah now, danger won't sit so. Love Express will always be my sound for life. Whoa, yes. And Love Express will always be my sound.
Go up yourself, Bogles, In the background, Pick up yourself, Bogle. Yes. Are you an artist, this,
Say they give me joy
and happiness when I
feel good all over. Joy and happiness, say that feel good all over. But Love Express will always be my sound for life.
One of my favorite dubs in the box, man, I lie.
Yes. A Love Express will always be my sound for life.
You know why I love that dub, yeah? Listen that party right now.
Now Jah gave the world and then the world took on to itself flesh. He made the boxes, he created the speakers and he made the tweeters. Said he created them fishes in the sea, birds and honeybee. And he created Love Express, especially for us. A Love Express will always be
my sound for life. Alright, I'm gonna leave you with this one for all of the big people them on the lawn right now. Sin, hear that tune, yeah? Yeah, listen to that one, yeah, man. The all original.
Why
So when you come up here, big tunes you have to play,
Here I stand, all alone in this
Alright, I'm telling you, say this one sound, 1 in a million, me nah lie. There's no other sound like the Big Bad Love Express, man, me I tell you. Birmingham strong. Yeah, how that we represent.
Why yo?
Some big sounds in a Birmingham strong enough.
Why yo?
Where you see that sound, yeah? Champion.
Why yo?
Champion.
Here I stand, all alone in this lonely world.
Justin Hines and the Dominoes.
Looking for someone to call my own. Here I stand all alone. Everything seems strange to me. All of the sun boy turned their back on me.
Hear that? They're not giving no booking.
Turn their back on me.
What God?
Because of their and purity.
You better believe. Big up Siffa.
Press down, love express, down, predominate. Here I stand, love express, down, predominate.
Every time. I want to know that. Don't forget me, I go to London, you know. Coaches just check me out. 2 coaches I go down.
Don't you know we are the champion sound?
14th of October.
The time of prosperity.
Listen.
Sound boy are plenty.
Time of prosperity, sound boy plenty.
In the time of misfortune, not one out of.
When no money in our room, we can't say no sound again. But you say love us was we always there. Year to year.
Express, stand, predominate.
Play out nearly every week. Man, I lie.
Here I stand, love express, stand, predominate.
I don't want them sound, no them sound in the yard. Always there road. Don't you know? Yeah.
Don't you know we rule from
town to town?
Don't you know we are the
champion sound? Ja know that star. Big up the Siffa family, Robert T. Me nah lie. Seeing Siffa open box. So when the rest of the song come up here, make sure we do the right thing. See?
Now we're gonna close the show with a few music, you know what I mean? First of all, start with a man called Don Carlos. One of Robert T, them favorite artists. Now here come them style there. Think called Agangot. Come in. Alright. Come in, my brethren. Alright. Make a take that one from the TOP. Alright, because it deserves the start that it deserves. Think called Agangot. Don Carlos. Hear them style there. It's all about the music. It's all about the music that we are playing. Come in, people. You not hear me, people? Taking the show out. Big respect to Commissioner Benji. Big respect to Sound News Extra crew. You not hear, people? Big up yourself, Bogo. Respect every time. All right, people. I saw we rumble them round here, you know. Nice and easy something.
Then all of a sudden I heard them shout and look out. Yes, me think a soldier man a come but I can go.
Yeah, man. Don't forget to subscribe, you YouTubers, and comment. You know here, people.
I was in heights of reasoning about.
Big up yourself, Siffa crew, wherever you're there.
Then all of a sudden there comes this.
It's a musical showcase.
When I heard the show, said look out.
All right, people. Butter. All right, people. We are going to come in with another tune by the man called Gregory McGregor. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment, all you YouTubers. It's all about the good music, people. So come in on this one. Them style, yeah. Oh, come in. All right, people. Oh, make her take that one from the top because it deserves the start that it deserves. Come in, Freddie McGregor. All right, people. Come in. Selection. Hear them style.
Oh Lord, one Lord.
Murder style. All right.
Jah is my light and my salvation.
You don't hear people.
In no man will I put my trust. Save me from the hands of the wicked one. I make we live.
You don't hear me, people.
Go to a place where there is happiness. Whole lot of love and self-consciousness. Teach the children so they will learn. Now skin up, now grin up, now play, now ease up, make we live.
You don't hear people.
Whoa, make we live, yeah. Going around playing bandulo, not doing nothing but creating pure evil. Stop your fussing and fighting, people, make we live, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh Lord, Jah is my light and my salvation. In no man will I put my trust. Save me from the hands of the wicked one. I make we live, yeah.
I saw we should the show out.
Oh Lord, make we live, yeah. Go to a place where there is happiness. Whole lot of love and self-consciousness.
Then no. Put counter action too. You don't hear people.
You're jamming and you're jamming and you're jamming and you're jamming and you're jamming along.
You don't hear people.
You're jamming and you're jamming and you're jamming and you're jamming, you can't go wrong. But if you move that stone, the house will come tumbling down. Say if you move that cornerstone, the house will come tumbling down, and you won't be jamming.
The man called Al Campbell.
You won't be jamming, you won't be jamming no more. The wise man built his house on the rock and it stood firm.
You don't hear me, people.
The foolish man built his house on the sand and it came tumbling down. Yes, when the rain came down, so did his house to the ground.
Respect.
He won't be jamming, he won't be jamming no more. No
All right. We just touched them. All right. We are going to slip out of this and slip out on another tune. Hear them tune there. The man called Danny Hensworth. Thing called Mr. Money Man. Hear them style, yeah.
Mr. Money Man.
You don't hear me, people.
Mr. Money Man, better keep on running, Mr. Money Man. Keep on running and if
One more after this tune and then we are out to sign off.
your bib and your dip, don't leave all your $20 bill. Oh no, no.
Danny Hensworth.
Mr. Money
Think our money man.
In a long, long time you've been having us down, giving us your $20 bill. Bigger toll brothers and her sister, that boom tap in the gate. Cause now that we have seen the light, we're gonna stand up for human rights. Oh yeah.
Right about now, they're gonna sign off with a tribute to Shaka, the great Shaka.
Keep on running, oh yeah.
All right. My tribute to Shaka. Hear them style. Michael Prophet. Think I want them, ja. All right, people. This is a tribute to Shaka, the great, great Shaka. The sound that we used to listen to back in the day. The sound that give us enough inspiration. All sound crew in the area. Hear them style. Tribute to Shaka. Come in. All those people who used to go at Dick Beth. Hear them style. Come in, Roots.
I beg you, want them. Teach them for the peace, teach them. Because they really don't know the right from the wrong.
You don't hear me, people.
Oh yes, we all are seeing redemption song. We all got a chant on the Babylon. For way in Zion, the people are African.
You don't hear me, people.
Brothers against brothers and sisters against their home. They are saying
Tribute.
One man can stand alone.
The great Shaka. Hear them style.
Don't hurt your brother, man. Let's chant down Babylon.
Big up yourself. Sound News Extra and the crew. Rico. Robert T. And the camera crew. Jay. And our special guest, Commissioner Benji. Come in.
Brothers against brothers and sisters against their home. They are saying one man can stand alone.
Yes, people. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to lock in at the next show. And I want to thank my big collaborators. Sound News Extra. Great interview with the man called Commissioner Benji, Love Express. Alright, people. Taking it right down now. And don't forget to tune in again on the Siffa Open Box Showcase, where we'll be featuring another selector. You hear me, people? Come in. Alright. Siffa Open Box Showcase.